my channel. I am on my way to the Kentucky Yoga Festival, so I'm super excited to bring you guys with me. And I've always really wanted to like start doing yoga, so I think this is going to be like the kicker. I'll be away from home for a few days, which I'm never really away from home, so wish me luck. So, yeah. I'm sad because I have to leave Jake and Reese home, which I'm never really away from them, but I think this will be a really good experience for me and it'll help me grow as a person. So as you can see, I am packed and ready to go, but I have to go meet with Tisa and all that stuff. And she is like one of the instructors there, so I am going with her and I'll be driving her vehicle and we'll be camping. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so it is Friday, day one of the yoga festival. For me, Tisa had a good night. Last night for me, by the time we got here it was dark, which is cool, but it started raining, so I put up like my canopy thing over top of my tent to like kind of help with the rain and me staying dry and warm. Well, I got 2.5 hours of sleep last night. I'm still kicking, I don't know how. I'm sure I'm gonna take a nap today, but last night the canopy went flying, so I had to get out of my tent while it was raining, so I was cold and wet, and I needed help. Oh man, I was lost. It was like 6 o'clock this morning that all this happened, and then the wind is insane today. So we ended up getting some amazing people to help us out, and we moved my tent and we got Tisa's things set up. Say hi!
Hello! Kentucky Yoga Festival!
This is my good friend Tisa. I love her dearly. But I'll show you guys my camping setup. Tisa's sleeping in her car, so she's good to go.
I got memory foam.
She's got memory foam and all the good stuff. So it is 12:02 right now, so there's my tent. There's the canopy that decided to crash on me last night. My tent was over here last night, but yeah, it needed to be moved because of the wind, but this is our setup for now. I don't know if I'm going to put the canopy back up just due to it being crazy, the wind, but my tent's a little messy right now, but this is my setup for now. But that is it. That's our little setup until the wind subsides a little bit because it's crazy. Okay. And then Tisa's setup is here in the vehicle.
Nice and cushion. Yay!
Yay, so
memory foam is your friend.
Yeah.
It's called layers of memory foam. Nothing but pure squishiness and softness. I feel like a queen.
Enjoy. All right, my friends, let's take a deep breath in and out together. Let's exhale all of that
was amazing.
stuff out of the lungs.
I needed that.
Yes. Now take a full, deep breath in. Deepest breath in. Exhale with a little sound. Ah. 2 more just like that. Deepest breath in. Ah. 1 more deepest breath in. Come back into your intention. Let's keep it rolling. Keep it flowing. And here we go, my friends.
Should we start a combo line?
Yeah, totally. Let's do it.
He's like, yeah, let's go.
I want a picture.
Here, let's go this way. It's all video.
Perfect.
There we go.
All right, my friends, do you remember when I spoke about that opportunity to let some stuff go? So all that stuff, all those patterns, all those habits, all those things that do not serve you in your life that are getting in the way of you becoming the most magical, most ridiculously beautiful human being that you can possibly be on this planet Earth here now, let it go. This is our opportunity. We're gonna shake it out now. Here we go.
It is day 2. It is Saturday, so but last night it was literally so cold that when I was talking I could see my breath. So definitely did get more sleep last night though, but I laid under like all 7 of my blankets in fetal position because it was so cold. But it's all good. Today I'm just kind of chilling right now before I go do some yoga, and I packed up a little bit of my stuff because it kind of looks like it's gonna rain and I don't want to pack that stuff up if it is wet. So I'm really just chilling. This is my view right now. It is beautiful. Here's my house for the weekend. But yeah, I'm having an amazing time. I've met some amazing people, and I think I've made some really good friends since I've, only been here since yesterday. So, but I'll take you guys down for a walk and show you the rest of everything.
hold the tricep, set them down, try to pull their arms
Yeah.
out. How often do you
For
walk?
him, it looks a little bit different because he's longer than me.
This is the healing tent, the healing area. Miss Tisa is working on somebody.
It's too much. I can't take it anymore.